Welcome to Malik Raw Food channel. Here I discuss recipes that do not require any kind of frying, roasting, cooking, any kind of heating, just healthy eating. Today we will be discussing how to make an almond banana milkshake which is nutritious and tasty as well. This is a milkshake that provides lots of energy. Because we use almond milk, this is already rich in healthy fats. We use bananas, those are rich in potassium and calories as well. Dates are very quick energy boosters. Plenty of water is there to keep hydrated as well. So it's a very nutritious and healthy energy boosting drink. So you can safely make this for your children in particular who may be requiring a lot of energy, and this is something that can be made at home which is relatively inexpensive and also particularly healthy. The ingredients needed are almond milk, bananas and soft dates. In case you are wondering how to make almond milk, this can be made at home instead of store bought. Please look at my video on how to make almond milk at home. This will be particularly healthier and a cheaper alternative to the store bought. You can take 6 soft dates. If they are not soft dates, you can pre-soak them. De-seed the dates and keep them aside. Then take 2 ripe bananas, peel the skin away. We will be using this as one of the sweeteners and energy boosters. And then we would take almond milk. The almond milk that I have used is roughly 2 cups. If you do not know how to make almond milk, like I said, you can look up for my video for the same. I added the bananas to the blender. I have used a high-speed blender to have all the ingredients, including cocoa powder which is unsweetened, about 1 teaspoon, and also ice cubes as needed. Despite knowing that vegetables and fruits and dry fruits are good for health, we all have challenges eating salads right away. It is my endeavor here to present foods that are made in the raw form, which are very appealing and delicious as well. But for you to be benefited on this fully, it is desirable that you subscribe to this channel so you will come to know of all the videos that I present here to make it a healthy diet for you. And then I had blend them initially at a low speed and then at a high speed for about 2 minutes maximum. What we are looking for is a consistency that does not have any granules of dates. It should be something like this. And now you can pour the drink and enjoy it while it is chilled. This is a drink that you do not want to leave it in the refrigerator for long. It is best drank right away, because all the items that we have added are fresh fruits, fresh items. If we allow them to settle down, they will not be as tasty, and I do not think it is a healthy way of storing things for a long time and eating. This is a drink that will be particularly kid friendly, summer friendly, energy booster, extremely tasty. So I think all of you should try this at home and make it. If you do not have a high-speed blender, this can be easily made using the kitchen mixie grinders that we have anyway. If you have enjoyed watching this video, I suggest that you make this dish. And also, I post several interesting videos on raw food which you may like. So please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to click on the notification bell icon so you get to know whenever new videos are posted. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.